Hi, welcome to Topic 2, Strategic Direction as part of the training and development process. In developing training, the very first step in the actual creation of the training has to be determining what are the corporate objectives. Training should not be a nice to have, but rather a need to have in order to accomplish some corporate mission, goal, or strategy. So our process has to begin with what is it that the corporation values? What is it that the company is trying to accomplish? And being as closely aligned to that as possible will serve the training very well. Training that is just something that is done because it feels like it needs to be done, or someone said this would be a good idea, or your competition is doing it, will very often fall flat. So starting with the corporate objectives is always the best way to go. After you do that, you have to follow a process. How will the training be developed? What is the evolution of the output that will be used to create the training? There are two different approaches, very closely aligned, that I provide for you in your workbooks, in your texts. However, just to be top line about it, the first one is an acronym ADDIE, A-D-D-I-E. Stands for Analysis, Design, Development, Implementation, and Evaluation. The other one is ISD, or Instructional System Design. And frankly, it follows the very same path, but it breaks out the steps a little bit more finitely so that we can connect all of the dots and link all of the steps together a little bit more comprehensively. Both of those are provided for you in the text, but just wanted to let you know what the two commonly used ways of developing training are. A lot more detail in that narrative or in the text. The other thing to talk about is in developing a strategy for the training to align with the organization, you have to get people on board. That means managers, that means the job incumbents, that means the subordinates potentially, or customers. In order for training to really be impactful, it needs to have the support of everyone involved.